Pitching business idea is something very common in today's workplace. The one who can display entrepreneurial behavior. Creating idea, speak up and take actions. Might not have the right mindset. They just think about money. Business is for solving humankind's real-life problems. So the first thing that we need to have is what kind of problem that we would like to tackle. How does it impact to the general public? Without this in mind, the problem that you define, the idea that you create will be very blurry and not impactful. In these two classes, I will share how we can define and analyze problem in a logical way. With creative solution generated, we can pitch in a high impactful presentation style which engage and influence your audience. We'll see you guys there.